Death lawsuit against the sheriff's office.
CBS 12's Jenna Eschbach is live outside the home that remains covered in tear gas dust 2 years later. Jenna.
Yeah, the family left this home pretty much the way it was the day it happened. You can see the bullet holes here. And in fact, the SWAT team was called out here for a standoff that lasted several hours and in the end ended with the homeowner dead. They were a family of 5.
This used to be my home until 2 years ago.
Terica Monique Davis and Greg Hill were set to marry in March 2014. But Greg died here in this garage in a deputy-involved shooting death that began with a loud music complaint that January. Deputies said Greg brandished a gun, and they fired 4 shots, killing him.
All this you see that's white, we had to pour like acetone on it to get the blood up.
Greg's 8-year-old daughter, coming home from school, saw it all happen.
She saw everything. She saw when they pulled up. She saw the gunshots. She saw everything.
Today, the Hill family filed a wrongful death lawsuit against the St. Lucie County Sheriff's Office for Greg's death. A grand jury cleared the deputies of all wrongdoing in the January 2014 shooting. The Sheriff's Office refused to comment today on pending litigation, but did make this statement back in 2014.
They then knocked on the garage door, and the door opened. As the garage door opened, they saw a black male holding a handgun at his right side. The male raised the gun toward the deputies as he simultaneously pulled the garage door down.
The family attorney says Greg had every right to have a gun on him, and he has the right to close the door.
They're saying he's like this. I'm just trying to picture what they're saying.
But the family agrees it's not likely Greg could have pulled down that 100-pound metal door with one hand. Suit against the St. Lucie County Sheriff's Office contends that Greg never raised a weapon to the deputies. That's not what a grand jury said. And all new at 6, we go for a tour inside this home to see the damages they're asking for in these lawsuits. Live in Fort Pierce, Jenna Eschbach, CBS 12 News.
All right, Jenna, we'll look forward to that report at 6. Thank you.
A Lake Worth High School football coach